Find or read reviews that people are talking about Gasbye Laminator machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built-in sharp and safe steel paper cutter. Our heavy-duty paper cutter boasts a sharp and efficient steel blade, which retains its cutting edge even after 3,000 continuous uses. Additionally, it includes a paper cutter lock and a finger safety guard, guaranteeing safe and injury-free cutting during operation. Flexible pouch compatibility. With a generous 13-inch wide entry, our laminator accommodates 3 and 5 mm laminating sheets, effortlessly catering to various sizes such as menus, letters, legal documents, business cards, and wallets. It's an indispensable addition to your home office, holiday, and school supplies. Upgraded all-aluminum dual roller system. Experience superior photo lamination with our upgraded all-aluminum dual roller design. Swift cooling and precise flattening ensure photos are stiff, smooth, bubble-free, and wrinkle-resistant after lamination. Preserve your cherished memories and valuables with confidence. Simple paper jam solution. If misplacement during lamination results in a jam, easily resolve it by pressing the ABS film retrieval button to remove the laminating pouch, safeguarding crucial documents or photos. This straightforward and trouble-free process ensures minimal impact on your machine's performance. All-in-one lamination kit. Elevate your lamination process with our advanced machine, featuring a built-in paper cutter, corner rounder, and 13 laminating pouches in 3 sizes. The user manual ensures effortless operation, meeting all your daily needs with precision and convenience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.